Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are discussing about the assignment 6 mathematics for physics class 8th. So the first question is find the value of cos 240. So already we know that here 0 to 90, 90 to 180, 180 to 270, 270 to 360. So 240, 240 belongs to this section. So here cos 240 degrees. So cos 240 degrees is equal to, so cos 180 plus 60 degrees. Okay, cos 180 plus 60 degrees. So here already we know that it is even number, so cos will come, okay, 180 plus 60. So all trigonometric functions are positive in this Q1, for example, it is Q2, is Q3, is Q4, okay, and here all sine, cosecant positive, okay, here tan, cot trigonometric functions are positive, remaining are negative, here cos, secant are positive according to this diagram. So here cos 180, here it is even number, cos will come, 180 plus 60, here tan, cot negative, sorry positive, remaining are negative, so minus cos 60, already we know that cos 60 value 1 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2, okay, option is second option, okay. Next question, sin 120, same as here 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. So sin 120. So here for example here 120. So here sin, okay, 120. So here sin 90 plus 30. Sin 90 plus 30. So here also sin and sin cosecant are positive. So here sin 90, here 9 is odd number, so cos, okay, cos value is positive, cos 30, cos 30. Already we know that cos 30 value root 3 by 2, that is plus root 3 by 2. This is the value of sin 120. So second option is correct. Sorry, first option is correct. And next, third question. 4 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Find the value of cosecant theta. So given that 4 cos square theta minus 1 is equal to 0. 4 cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta is equal to 1 by 4. Cos theta is equal to root over 1 by 4. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So already theta, okay. What is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse in right angle triangle, okay. So here adjacent side 1, okay, hypotenuse here it is equal to 2. So according to Pythagoras law, 2 square, for example O A B. So here OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. Okay, so AB square is equal to 2 square minus 1 square. So AB is equal to root over 4 minus 1. So AB is equal to root 3. So AB is equal to root 3. So what is cosecant theta? Okay, cosecant theta is equal to cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite, that is equal to, here hypotenuse 2 by opposite root 3, 2 by root 3. The answer is third option. Okay, next question. The value of sin 30 plus cos 60, sin 30 plus cos 60. So already sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, already we know the values. So sin 30 plus cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. That is equal to 1. So option is second option. Okay. Thank you very much.